If you're experiencing login failures on your Steam Deck, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back to gaming as soon as possible. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by checking your Wi-Fi settings and reconnecting if necessary. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart the device. Step 4. Verify Steam credentials. Double check your Steam account credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 5. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can help resolve login issues. Go to Settings, select Storage, and find the option to clear the cache. After clearing, restart your Steam Deck and try logging in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue on your Steam Deck quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Happy gaming!